guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes guys, drum rolls. So guys, on today's video, I'm just gonna talk about how I got registered to Australian Nursing Council. That's the Ahpra. Yeah. So if you don't already know me, I'm Nurse Sylvia. I'm a registered nurse in UK, New Zealand, US, Nigeria, and of course Australia. So guys, I'm just gonna put you through on how I did my application to Ahpra on the screen. Yeah.
Hi guys, so I'm just going
Yes,
to
thank
quickly
you.
show you how I did my application. So you just go to your web browser and type Ahpra registration. Go to their website. You get to where it says login or register. If you are already if you've logged in before, you just have to put your username, date of birth, and password, and you log in. If not, just click on I don't have a sign in or a login. Then here you create your login, you put your first name, last name, date of birth, email address. Yeah. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna put I've already done my application, so I'm just showing you how I did it. So I'm just gonna put in my name, surname, and date of birth. This is not my date of birth, I just put it for the demonstration purposes. And after that, to create a login password, yeah, and then you click on the I'm not a robot, and then you press next. Then you see the page that says validate your email. A validation code has been sent to your email address. Please do not close this window before entering the code. So you just go back to your email address and copy the code and put it on the space. And then when it opens up, when you come back again, it opens up for you to create your password. Then what profession are you applying for registration? Obviously it's nursing and midwifery. Do you currently hold a registration as a nurse and midwife in New Zealand? Yes. Are you applying for trans-Tasmal mutual recognition? Yes. In Australia, you have to click yes. Do you hold a current honor of APC? Yes, of course. I'm registered in New Zealand. And are you wanting to apply for an endorsement? No. And then you click on start application. How to use this form, you can read through and see if then you consent. Of course, you want to apply, so you have to consent, read through. And here you put your name, your middle name, family name. Yeah, just fill out the application form. Identity documents will be foreign passport or travel document. And yeah, so this is the trans-Tasmal mutual recognition between New Zealand and Australia, and then most of this part was just yes, 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 or through disclosure, yes. You're gonna see where I got the approval, when I did the registration, approval, and all of that. Yeah, thank you
Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a nice comment. Thank you. Bye bye. See you on my next video. Bye.